Hi guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. Now, this is the third time that I have tried to record this video because I keep forgetting to enable the mic. And yeah, I mean, no, the first time there was another issue, but now the second time I forgot to. I basically finished the video, and I forgot to bloody record the sound, so it was just a muted video throughout the. I was just blabbering on without the sound being on. Okay, so we're going to get into this video. Finally, I hopefully this records. In this video, I'm going to share with you a training on how you can make money using TikTok and making money promoting Amazon affiliate products without being on camera or showing your face. Okay. Now, previously, I did speak about not being able to use create not it's not a good idea to use Creative Commons. Okay. And in this video, we're actually going to use Creative Commons, and I'll tell you why. First of all, we're not actually uploading the full raw video. We're basically taking a small little clip from Creative Commons, adding a bit of music into that, and then also adding some text. So we're making it unique to ourselves. Is it a risk? There is still some kind of risk in there, because sometimes, look, the problem with Creative Commons is the Creative Commons videos that are genuinely Creative Commons, they're good and they can be used. But the problem with YouTube and Creative Commons is sometimes people are uploading videos that aren't actually Creative Commons. And like I could literally take any random video, upload it, put it on YouTube and call it Creative Commons. And then when someone uses it because they think it's Creative Commons, then they use the video and it's not, and then their YouTube channel gets flagged. Okay. But in this scenario, we're going to be using TikTok, so it's going to be slightly different. Okay, so from what I'm aware of, TikTok. I don't think the videos really do get flagged, even for sharing other content. And I doubt that our video is going to get flagged because we're only using literally a 30 to 60-second part of that video. We're taking a very small clip from that video and we're using it. And not only that, but we're also adding music in the background and maybe a bit of text in the background. Okay, so that's basically in a nutshell. Okay, so we're going to be using Creative Commons for this. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a TikTok account. You're going to need an Amazon affiliates account. Okay, and if you haven't yet got signed up for Amazon Amazon affiliates account, go and get signed up now. It's free. And then what you're going to need is YouTube, okay? Because we're going to take videos from YouTube and we are going to find Creative Common videos to use for our TikTok videos. So now I'm just going to quickly run through this really quick. So I found a product right here. Okay, you're gonna pick. You're gonna want to pick a niche. Okay, so whether it be like a niche in smoothies or healthy eating, or you can do it totally different. Like you can do tennis. You can do practically anything. Okay, find a niche. That's the first step. The next step is to pick profitable products. Okay, and how we find them is what I did actually is. So I went to YouTube and I typed in blenders. Okay, this is the product that I'm going for, blenders. Now, do not pick the exact same thing that I'm doing with the same product and the same everything, because you're just going to saturate it. If if it happens where lots of people watch this video and everyone's doing that, it's just going to mess everything up. Like it's not going to work. It's not going to work. If 50 people are all doing the same thing, it's just ridiculous. Okay. You want to be promoting, there are millions and millions of products to choose from on Amazon. Do not pick the exact same thing. This is just for demonstration purposes only. Okay. Okay. So now that that's clear, so what I've done is I have searched on YouTube blenders. The next thing, you go to filter and you go to Creative Commons. Now, as you can see, that's already marked because that's what I've done here. And you can see here, I have a whole bunch of different products that I can reuse. Okay, they're all Creative Commons. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take just a snippet of the video. We're not going to take everything. We're just going to take a very small snippet of that video. So let's say we click on this video right here. Okay, this is also Creative Commons, as you can see. Basically, once we pick filter, once we filter those options, Creative Commons, all of the videos that come up are ticked and marked as Creative Commons. Okay, so we're gonna watch this video.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and adding us to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the blend off.
So we're not going to take that part literally. Yeah, what we will do is we're just going to take like a clip in the middle of the video.
That the Vitamix G Series blender might win it.
You know, the G Series Vitamix with the low pro jar has a great design. It's you know, it's going to be it definitely is a top contender. You know,
we can literally take it like right here.
When you liquefy your foods, your absorption rate doubles, and you are able to easily digest most of the nutrients into your body. Carrots are a good example of how a high-powered blender is able to easily and quickly liquefy whole foods.
So this is basically a comparison between the different blenders, okay? So, you know, we can take this video, or we can just find one like this one over here, which I'm going to show you now. This is another Creative Commons video that I found, okay? This is promoting Ninja Fit, the Ninja Fit personal blender. Now, literally, as you can see here, I forwarded it to this point, just where he's or she is blending, putting the ingredients into the blender and blending it.
Place the cup in the base. Push the cup down to blend.
And what we can do is we can actually mute the video, okay? And we can just like keep the actual video itself and then just add our own background music to it, okay? And literally that's it. Like we have these like review, you know, these small video clips of different products that we are reviewing on TikTok. And literally, like, you know, these videos sometimes, guys, go viral, go absolutely viral. Depending on what video it is, there's videos that go incredibly viral on TikTok, just like this. I've seen it where it's literally a product and it has like thousands and thousands, even sometimes millions of views and comments and all of this. So, you know, this product, this can definitely be a method for you to make money with, okay? I don't know if I've shown you the sales of this, but yeah. So let's say we go to the Ninja Fit, yeah, and we want to see how much sales this is getting per month. I don't think I've done this. Sorry, that was on my other video, the video that was muted, basically. Oh, I'll show you. I'll show you again. So what we do is we go to the product item on Amazon, and then we scroll down to the bottom where it says BSR, shows us the BSR, which is here. That stands for bestsellers rank. And then we go to the product, which is the number, the BSR number, and then we paste it into here. And then we go to home and kitchen, which is the category, as you can see that it's in. Can you see category here? So we're just adding in the category. Then what it's going to do is going to pull up that product and tell us how many sales this product is making. Now, as you can see, it's making 110. Then what we're going to do is we're going to 810 or 49. I think it's £49. Let me just check. It's already come up anyway, but Yeah, £49. It's already come up here because I typed it in before, previously when trying to do this video. So £49 times that by 810, and then it's going to show me how much money, how many sales this product is getting. It's getting 39,000 sales, which is quite a lot. It's not one of the most popular products. Some products are getting way more than that, but it's pretty good. Okay, we know that it's making sales. Okay, so we know that it's making a product that's making sales. We know that it's a potential product to sell. Like, if a product is not getting any sales, then chances are, it's not a very good product to promote. So I'm not going to show you in this video how to clip out, the video and to clip out the parts that you want. But I'll probably do another video on how to do that and everything. But it's really like it's quite simple to do. Okay, you just take a small clip of a certain video on Creative Commons, and then TikTok will, I mean, you can do all of the edits on TikTok because TikTok allows you to do that, allows you to create text, add some music or whatever. And yeah, basically that's basically how to do this method and how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing without showing your face on TikTok. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to know how to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube, using basically YouTube affiliate market, YouTube promoting Amazon affiliate marketing products, check out my other videos. Okay, check out my other videos on how to do that, because in that training I teach some really cool stuff, and I also show you live proof demonstrations that it works. Okay, so check out those videos and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in more videos. Take care.